What's up, guys? Aaron's here, and I got an unboxing of a new Fenix 6X. And you're like, well, I thought you had some videos on the Garmin Solar Pro. Still using it. Been using it for what, 7 months now. I probably should do a little follow-up video. Trying to get better about producing content, follow on reviews and stuff like that as the channel grows. We're getting there. Speak it up. Be sure to hit like, subscribe. But yeah, this watch got the Fenix 6S, excuse me. Sapphire premium multi-sport GPS watch. So this is the Sapphire, which has a nice glass, which again kind of is one of my complaints, but we'll get to this. So why the rose gold? Because my wife, she previously had one. We had our first child, and she wants to go back to Garmin. So we had the Apple Watch 4 for a little over a year. But now she's wanting to go back to the Garmin because she's a pretty big runner. We got up to 10 miles together, so she loves running, and it's just kind of like her relaxation. So I ordered her this. Yeah, this is the premium model. She probably doesn't need all the functions like the maps and everything like that like I use for military, but the big thing that sold her is the glass, the look, and the sapphire glass and the color. So obviously watches are kind of a premium, supposed to be a premium thing, obviously, but she really enjoys the Garmin interface and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing here, do a quick comparison here with some Apple stuff, and we'll check it out. So let's get into it. All right, so let's get this thing. Again, we got that nice gray looking with the rose gold. So again, it's going to be your typical style Garmin's here. Got the watch. Okay, let's get him out here. Okay, so again, you know, my wife uses the Apple Watch, and you know, she actually doesn't hate it. It's just, you know, battery life. You got to charge that thing every day. So this is kind of why it looks nice, the rose gold. So again, this isn't going to be, you know, the S series has always kind of been designed for like women. Hence why they use those colors. But yeah, it looks really good. It looks really good, actually. It's coming through really good on the video. I got my Solar here apart too, so we can do a quick comparison here. So there's that. And of course, it's got these removable bands that are come off real easily here. So you can always change out the band colors. If I can snap him back on. A little topographic map is showing off here. So cool. Let's set that bad boy right there. See what else is in the box. It's just gonna be your charger. And so it's real nice. Obviously, my wife loves to run. She loves to listen to music. She uses Spotify a lot, so your charge cable. They've kind of went to that since I think the Fenix 5X has kind of been that. And then of course your nice thick book, which still funny they include this stuff, but I think they just do it to make it kind of premium. So that's the unboxing. And we'll kind of focus on, you know, this real quick. So again, it has the 9 days. You should be averaging. I think I even on mine now. Mine's a different size, a little bigger, but I still get about 6, 7 easily, even with a ton of activities. 25 hours in GPS mode, and it's going to change depending on, like, you know, per seconds and everything, like how you actually get it. 61 grams total weight. So it definitely has a little bit of heft to it. But the Apple Watches itself, I'm pretty sure they're 50. Don't quote me on that. But obviously you see the size difference between 42 and 51 millimeters on the watch size. So yeah, it's definitely lighter. I can show it off on my wife's wrist too. But you get used to it, honestly. So that's what my wife, we got this from REI because their return policy is really good. So she can check this out and make sure she likes it before she goes either to Garmin Venue or, you know, just keep with the 6S. But she really likes the look of this. So I just want to do a quick unboxing, show it off. Again, this does have the O2 sensor. It has the heart rate, everything along that. Some new stuff. They're showing here the topo and ski maps, music, power manager, pulse ox, pulsometer. So yeah, definitely a premium watch here. This is the Sapphire. If I do a little follow-up video, the Solar, you know, see this, the little mark right there, I had that very early on. I do have the warranty. The other stuff's just kind of watermarks, but that mark right there is this isn't sapphire glass. You see I dinged it against like a Humvee door, and it definitely left, it didn't break it, but it definitely left a little mark. So I do have the warranty on it, which is nice. But well, that's the unboxing. I'll throw my wife's wrist on it and to do a quick little Apple Watch comparison set next to it. But that's it. So be sure to hit like, hit subscribe, stay tuned to more content. Appreciate it, guys. We're over 500, so we're almost there to 1,000. Appreciate it, guys. All right, so my wife's actually been using this watch for a few days. She actually really likes it. She liked her Garmin watches previously. I think she had 645 music, whatever the number one was. When they added music to Spotify, that was a big thing for her. But she's had a few different Apple Watches, and obviously the battery life's a big thing for her. But just so you can kind of see, obviously, she likes her color choices. They honestly feel kind of the same, even though the Apple Watch, it is skinnier. That's going to be a big thing. So I took a couple pictures of it on my wife's wrist. It doesn't really bother her. But yeah, so let's kind of show that off. I just want to do a little more comparison. Again, this isn't like a full review. This is just like a quick thing. Obviously, I can give my wife's thoughts on it. I have obviously that. I'm actually working on a video of giving like kind of my thoughts as the solar with it and everything like that and what the watch can do. But yeah, so obviously, when it comes to thickness, but my wife actually likes it. It does feel like the weight's distributed a little better. It feels a little heavier, actually, like when the Apple Watch. This is the 38 also, by the way. So yeah, it's the Series 4. But yeah, so that's pretty much that. Just want to do that quick little comparison. Obviously, I took my watch off just to show it, to show the differences here. Kind of check it out. Cool. Be sure to like, subscribe, stay tuned for more info, and we'll see what my wife actually thinks about it. Again, we got this through REI, just kind of mainly so we could return it if she's not a big fan of it. But that's that. So thanks guys for checking out the video. Hit that like, and stay tuned for more content.